What a trend. Oh, the trendy Dancehall. Subscribe. Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. If you wake up this morning, consider yourself blessed, you see me? Yeah man, the trendy Dancehall, and we are going to talk about what the description of the video say. So subscribe if for your first time. Yeah, so people, Nikki Chromaz went on a little vacation with her beau, her man, her husband, you see me? Yeah, and accidentally left her phone, you see me, in Mexico. So she really want to get the viewers' attention, you see me, at this time, or whoever do business with her from Mexico, you see me? Yeah, guys, it might sound like a small deal, but in the business world, it's not when you have important information received, you see me? Billing all different types of stuff. So I mean, this is what she said. So this is when Nikki Chromaz say, hey guys, so I need help. I left my phone in Mexico. Can y'all help me out how I could get it back to me in Jamaica without paying any arm and leg through custom? Which my dog that still is me. So who know for deal with that can link Miss Nikki Chromaz. Hey peeps, so besides that, now we don't know Pretti Don address Dovey Magnum, and in other situation, yeah, I don't know how she and her have, you see me, but me would have choose Dovey Magnum any day over Pretti Don. Remember that if a slam and them something they are top, but you see me, cause I don't know how she try this girl, but girl like you, we are do girls not for body shame other girls. Remember you're a man, mama, you see me, but end of the day, make us see what she really have to say about the girl, and we can tell what is what.
Yeah. Dovey, a long time me a clot here, you know. Hey, in a blood clot horse. Got in there. Yeah, Dovey, it's been a minute. I slap you across your fat legs there, because you see, you know what I not like about you? You like to justify your look nasty behavior, them, and I don't like that. It's not everything good for the goose, good for the gander too. I just that, you know. You see you want to be of the most chaka way, and your skin out, you don't have the body for that. You do not have the body for that. You yourself said that out of your mouth. Until you have the body for that. Oh, you look. If you know, say, you see ya, by every stage, you carry on with yourself, a skin out. Nobody know what. Come on, you're not appealing. You don't appeal. So, when you go behave them like, yo, when you behave them weird, and a skin out, and a lap up, and a spread out, and a tup in, and a tup out, mama, you realize you turn people's stomach. You know ugly, you know. You don't ugly, but the activity them where you keep up, you don't have the body structure for that. Good as, because good as nobody not bring your dog, you know. And you bring dog yourself, you know, man. What you know? And you want bring dog yourself. You know, say, you know, you want one promiscuous. Promiscuousness is not for you. You can't go on prerogative, because prerogative, left that to Bobby Brown. You see me, left that to bless them, left that to Shensi can print out pussy, mama look good. Everybody want to fuck off for that. You see me, Jada Kingdom can't go on so. Everybody want tab out, mama got, you see me. Whole Jada and there's a ram out Jada, God say, right? Everybody want to fuck off a bless. You see me, I deal with nice like brown skin, you beat that, you want to beat that raw. You want to fuck that raw. When you talk about them, the girl, I say, yo, when me a fuck that, if mama asks me if you not boots me, this mama, me a fuck that raw. Belly a fuck out raw. Yes, you know, mama, come on. How do you know, boss? You good? You know, you's a fuck when nobody not going to hold up to. Remember, you know, you talk it up, ball out of kid. I don't like your hat. Remember, say your name hat, you know, you know hat. You know, but you want to behave the most hotness way. You have to left that to the others them. Behave in your structure. You see, if you know, say your body structure is this your kind of structure. Wear some frock. Wear some nice, elegant dress. You can't come in a dance hall as that too. But true, you want suck off cocky. I will freak you. I want to freak out. You want, but true, you sing them there. You say, they go on no match that, but boy, mama, you go on that fit your body, me not lie. Mama, me not this, you man. Yeah, come on, B. You, B. You're laughing now. Because, are you, right? You, alright, watch you now. You are saying, yeah, who don't never like to support the girl yet, because guess what now? Who don't go support blood clot Megan Thee Stallion? Well, everybody want to fuck. Who don't go support blood clot Cardi B? Well, everybody want to fuck out his throat, belly, every blood clot way. Remember, say all of them girl name we call, everybody want bust off in a that. Everybody want ram out, bumbo clot. Megan Thee Stallion, point cocky. Oh, you mean? Every man want to fuck that can go on promiscuous. That can't trip naked and the whole of we are going to bumbo class say, yes, Megan Thee Stallion. Yes. Yes, a Ramo, mama bumbo clad God say, Megan. Remember, you know, when you say Megan, when you say blood clot Cardi B, you say WAP. Remember, you know, them two, then everybody want to slam out them whole like car door. Everybody want to feed them whole for buffing, you see me, I did a hot hood in a belly. You see? You know. Mama, come on. How kind of position you put we in? You put we in one position now. Like you tell we say, we accept the things them where blood clot Megan and Cardi do for you. Mama, you put we in a spot. You put you in a tight blood clot position. Because mama don't like say your body appeal when we say yes. Mouth water. Wipe on your mouth water and pretty your mouth loose. And I like we say yes, girl. You splendocious. You look blood clot, ray and tete. Yes, whap. And I like so we say yo, you that mama you put you in a tight shoulder. Yeah, it's like you try park me in one space and you say car road there I got over to. Mama, you put you in a tight position. You can't walk with. Mama, the first sight that you have blood clot spread out on one stage and a skin out so we vomit. You don't look right, Bigo. Who would have got just get up and turn up after that so? Who would have back their fist after that? Nobody. Mama, enough people have back their fist off of Megan. When Megan said blood clot Ray. Remember, say Megan shape like a half. 2/3. You see me I deal with? You understand me? Nice. A blood clot equation. A nice one. 2 decimal place behind plus slash bring it cross. Bumbo clot. And them the kind of shape they want to see, mama. You know, 14 over bumbo clot 5. 14 over bumbo clot 5. That is an improper fraction, mama. Jesus Christ. Well, what kind of spot you put we in? All of we go to school, the whole of we do decimal place, the whole of we do blood clot fractions, the whole of we do bumbo clot. All of we. Pi equal decimal place, pi square. All of we blood. You is not, you. Come on. 40. Oh, improper fraction. Oh, me I go put that in a decimal place. Me can't put that in a decimal place. You are with accept things with half and 3 over 4 and 2 over 3 I give it. And you as a big 14 over bumbo clad 5 big no, brother, one thing me I tell you, you're biased. Can you take off a pussy? Look what you want to carry on Jamaican name for progress. Well, you know your word, promiscuous, yeah, that one there, promiscuous, that one there. You say, Cho, you want to bring out for when you say you're the most you left it to them, little young girl where you see on the grandma, a flash your pussy like bomb buckler, flashlight when police are holding down in a bomb buckler there. Daddy, me say you have to allow this to look bless them, allow it to blood clot Jada Kingdom, because see feed them pussy, Jesus Christ. We don't want to see underneath you. Mama, you don't see how you shape, mama? You know see how your bumbo class shape. You say you top heavy. Mama, you top heavy, you medium heavy, you know your blood clot rear heavy. Everywhere heavy, mama. Everywhere. Nowhere no balance. Nowhere. And you want to come get up and do the sitting them where blood clot Cardi do. Blood clot Megan where everybody want to fuck brother mama. Remember you know, man I watch blood clot Megan and I buck off him fist after that you know. I want bust in the mouth then, I want bust in the hole then. Mama nobody want bust in you. Nobody don't want bust in you. No matter how much of them blood clot song they you sing, oh you freaky or this, nobody know why you suck their hood. Nobody know why you suck. No matter how much teeth you fling in. It no matter because all me do my teeth them and they not big. See that? And my braces me I wait for the right and me I do video finish the thing. Look there. You see it? None of my blood clot teeth them not top heavy. Your teeth they heavy. Heavy like Jada Kingdom batty to bumbo clot. Like bumbo clot Jada Kingdom batty youth. Me I tell you why your teeth they heavy. The first thing me I give your head you crepe my hood. Cause your teeth them big. My hood thick. I got a thick dick. How me I go feel? If you know say you have thick teeth and me have thick dick, you go creep up the whole of my bumbo clot hood bad man. You can whoa none your mouth not appealing. You suck off a hood. Cause one time man see, no girl not supposed to find a boy mouth appealing. Why feel like a freaky girl? But what I see girl and girl mouth red with the lip glass and them sitting there, yeah, mouth look black. If you can suck off your hood right now, you don't have a suck off cocky mouth. You don't have a suck off cocky mouth and you want the whole with accept. You are do all of them something and you don't have a suck cocky mouth, you don't have a take fuck body, you don't have none of that. What you deal with? You put we in a spot. You like you compare yourself to Cardi them. That's a joke thing, mama. Everybody want to fuck Cardi them in a them blood clot hole. Everybody want to ram out Cardi. Everybody want to rub out Megan. Megan all look like it can jump up and nobody come on, mama. We are question. Nobody now run it down for fuck you. Are you alone and run down this one bag of fuck this? In my bed, I wanna fuck you all over. Oh, come in my leg. Myself, mama sing silhouette. Bad man, you are put in a spot for you accept your fuckery. You and Cardi them, and them the girl milky smooth body, with the suckled mouth, and the body were big and high up in a ear where pussy fi get ramo. Yeah, man, them a go want hear them girl there say suck off hood. The man they want hear them girl there say yes, they want take some fucking of them blood clot hole. You know, the man they wouldn't mind you keep it quiet. Keep that quiet. We know you are fuck. Everything good. Everything good, man. You see me? You know, everything good, my woman. What I would do fuck? You see me? What the fuck? Make them do that, my woman. What the fuck? Easy yourself. Nobody with the fuck. You see me? Nobody hot club yourself, woman, man. Easy. And everything of everybody. You see me?